So I have the door draft stopper in this video. I'm going to show you how I'm going to install this onto my door, but first I'm just going to give you a close-up of the product itself. I love how flexible it is, and it's also going to be really easy to cut with the scissors, so you can just measure it to whatever size your door is, mark it off and cut it. But I'm going to go put this on my door and show you kind of how that process works. So here's how my door looks like to begin. You can see there's a huge gap underneath, so it's constantly like shutting it with the wind. So I'm gonna get this thing measured and installed on there. Okay, so now that we got it measured, we can get it cut and just show you how easy this can be cut too. Let's do it for you. Just standard scissors. We can go right down through there and get that cut perfectly off. And in terms of sticking it on the door, it's adhesive here, double-sided, so you can just peel it off and get it lined up with your door. And here's what the final product looks like. As you can see now, that gap completely gone. You can open up the door here. Opens up easily. If we want to close it, close it off easily as well. So this does exactly what it needed to do. Could not be easier to get put on there. And like I said, there's a bunch of different sizes. So it does come pretty long. It was way longer than my door. So you can just cut it off. So it should fit whatever door you have. You can just customize it to it. So exactly what it needed to do. 2 thumbs up.